So if you follow Dip Your Car on YouTube, they're always doing lots of dipping. Like they color, and they have nice cars. They're not dipping WRXs. They're doing Evos and RS5s and all kinds of really nice cars. Anyways, I chose Persian Blue. It is a new color, and man, it pops. It looks crazy. So anyways, I need to put this thing back together. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to wire those LEDs right now. I don't have a switch. I will get to that. I might run the wires into the cab, but yeah, I mean, it's got like color shift properties. It kind of looks purple, kind of looks blue. It's bright. I didn't want to, like, the Subarus look good with blue and gold, and since I was coming kind of with a blue, I went with the gold calipers, but I wanted to do black wheels, so I didn't want to go with the traditional Subaru blue. I wanted something that stuck out, and their performance colors, I'm telling you. And it laid down easy. I can do this, you guys can do this. It was time consuming, and yes. Anyways, here's the gun. It's just their turbine blower. It works. It does. 5 gallons on this thing. 2 gallons of the gray. Unfortunately, this was originally plastidipped, the trim. So when I peeled the tape off, it took the plastidip off with it. So I'm going to have to like try to mask this. I don't want to put mask on the new stuff. Man, look at this out in the sunlight. Gee. Oh my God. Oh yeah. So I will address that. I'm going to do it off video because I'm going to mask above it and then try to like hold cardboard or something below it and just spray that black again. I do have some extra black. That's what I did the mirrors in, and they turned out great. Now, I used their, they call, what is it, dip spray? Or spray coat, or dip coat. That's what it's called. I have it laying over there. I already went over all those parts with it. I did the hood, and you can just see how easy my hand slides on it. When you get down here, it's more like rubber. It feels like rubber. Up here, smooth as can be. That's what the dip coat does. It makes it smooth, makes it more durable. So I still have to do the whole car. So I'm going to go over this with dip coat. And then I already did all of these. I put the lip on. I put the grill on. So let me spray all this with dip coat, and then we'll start assembling. Oh my God, does this thing look sick. Oh, it's crazy. You can see it. When the light hits it, it's like bright blue. And as, like when you're looking onto it, but as it goes back, it looks purple. Oh my God, this color just looks so good on this. My God. night. I just took the car out for some drives. It's dark, and when it's dark, it looks like it's purple. But me and the wife are going to State College tomorrow, and I kind of want to see people's reactions. So we're gonna take it to State College and see if we break any necks. Kitty Kim, wait! You're used to Daddy being an idiot, aren't you? Yes! Huh? What?
Have to take my shoes off to go on.
Are you gonna paint a car? What are you doing?
No, I'm not gonna. I don't want to take my shoes off.
Oh my god. Stella, what do you think about the booties? Huh? No comment? Alright, so we're going to State College. State College. There's always people there with really expensive cars. It's like, most of them are like Chinese people.
Yeah.
Like foreign exchange students at Penn State. But we had to wear masks. Masks are mandatory there. They fine you. So.
Do they find you?
Yeah. Yeah. They'll fine you for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Come find me. How about that? Alright, we're leaving, kitties. Don't be little a-holes. He looked away. She's staring straight at me. Who you calling an a-hole? Yes, we have to wear masks or they will find you here. Come find me. I spotted an Ashley in her natural habitat, the peanut butter aisle. Alright, so what's going on now is the only necks I broke were two little girls on bicycles, well, 2 different times, and a guy in town with a mohawk that was purple. So yes, the car is more purple than it is blue, but it still looks really good. So I'm gonna get some rolling shots, some drone footage. I'm just gonna go to my normal spots before we end this video. We'll get some shots, all that. So anyway, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm pretty much done with this thing. I got, except for the coilovers when they get them done, finally. I got to get an alignment done, and I got to fix the center armrest, but that's nothing that I'm doing on camera. I mean, I'm in love with the look of it. Like, it makes me want to dip more things, like maybe like this, maybe. Just look upon it. Look, it's so bright, our driveway. You got orange and blue. This should maybe be pearl white, maybe? I don't know. But it just, man, it pops. It just looks so good. Yes, it does look purple, but whatever angle you're looking straight on looks blue. And then everything that you're not looking straight on looks purple. I don't know. It really pops, so it sticks out. So if you like this video, consider subscribing, hit that like button, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about it. JDM for life, boy! And we'll see you on the next episode of WRX.